Hi, I'm Todd from Morel Construction. We're up here today at the top of Monkspur Road, Redcliffs, on a project we've recently completed. Yeah, so this project up here, there was a sort of 2-year lead time working with the designers and consultants to work through the engineering required for the retaining walls at the back of the property. That was a main component of this technical rebuild of a rebuild. We had all the cladding off, windows out, and also the roof had to come off and be repitched. So we had a bit going on. With this rebuild on the hill, there was certainly quite a few challenges that we overcame through the project, with retaining walls, windows, roofs having to be repitched. So yeah, it certainly kept us on our toes, but it was a challenge that we took on and nailed it. So it was a really cool project to be involved with. The client had been off the site since the main earthquakes in 2011. Through a failed insurance rebuild, we got involved to take over and manage the rework of the main build. It was a great project to be involved with. When you personally get to know your client and then they become friends at the end of it, it was a really special moment to hand it over to them. Also like to thank all the contractors and staff involved for all your mahi. It was certainly challenging for everyone, but we all got there together as a team, so it was a great result.